Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use CJ Dropshipping step by step. Step 1 is to create your CJ account. Click onto the cjdropshipping.com official website and register onto your account. Step 2 is to connect your store. Go on My CJ, Authorization, and choose your e-commerce platform like Shopify and Wix. And from there, click on Add Store and connect your account. Step 3 is to find products to sell. Use the search bar or browse any category, and then from there, compare prices with AliExpress to make sure you're getting a good deal. Step 4 is to list products to your store. Click on List and add it to your store. Choose your store and set your selling price, description, and title, and add SEO keywords and clean up the description if needed. Step 5 is to fulfill the orders. When a customer places an order, it shows up in My CJ Dropshipping orders, wherein you can just select the orders, pay, and the CJ will handle the rest: packing, shipping, and tracking. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.